When it comes to digging trenches, the first thing that comes to mind is the hard work of workers digging with iron pins and hoeing beams. This kind of trenching work is very hard, but the construction of the city is basically impossible without digging trenches. The trail lays natural gas pipelines, water pipe installations, electricity and communication pipelines, highways, highway maintenance, highway construction, and so on. Infrastructure works are almost always inseparable from digging trenches. And if the ground is dirt, then the manpower can barely cope if you encounter a pavement like concrete or a leaching star. It is really unrealistic to rely on human power, and there are stones in many of the underground. The stones are even very large, so a job like digging a trench requires the use of specialized machines. In fact, our country also has a special machine for digging ditches, but the performance of the machine is very average compared with foreign machines. There is still a certain gap today. I would like to introduce you to Germany trenchers. Germany is a developed country with a large slope area and a very small population, so a lot of infrastructure work in Germany is replaced by machines. The German trenching machine was commonly known as the chisel, which was shaped like a giant chainsaw. And there are things like iron ingots on the saw blades. The machine works by rotating the saw blade to cut a trench in the ground. This machine is very useful for cutting rock or infrastructure roads. And the VMT 653 can be cut to a depth of 121.9 centimeters. Another model, the TMS TRS 1275, measures 11.13 m long, 3.14 m wide, and 3.71 m high. The machine has 540 horsepower, and the weight of the machine alone is 68 tons. The machine is capable of excavating trenches with a width of 30 centimeters and a depth of 152 centimeters. When you hear this, do you think these two machines are powerful enough? In fact, the more powerful is yet to come, the TMS 1150 EVO is more powerful than the previous two machines. The weight of the machine ranged from 58.4 to 60.2 tons. The depth of the excavation ranges from 0 to 152 centimeters, and the width of the excavation is 20 to 40 centimeters. This machine is advanced because it is powered by a Cummins diesel engine, and everyone knows that operations like trenching in infrastructure, the noise is really loud. So this machine is equipped with a cockpit with air conditioning and sound quality. It can effectively resist the noise from the outside world and the harm to the driver. I must say, in terms of humanization, it is very worth our studying. And like the GPS navigation system now equipped in cars, it hasn't fallen behind. It even has a remote monitoring system, convenient operation, still remote control. It also has an advanced DGPS navigation system. This machine is commonly used on airport runways, looking forward to luxury track and use of PQ concrete, cutting and delineation tasks of the road surface, and infrastructure tasks such as the previously mentioned laying of natural gas pipelines, water pipe installations, electricity and communication pipelines. All of these infrastructure tasks can be done by it. The reason Germany was able to become a developed country this time is the Germans' use and development of machines. Our country has always held the title of infrastructure fanatic. But behind this, there are many peasant workers who have paid silently. They sweat for the construction of the city and work tirelessly. If our country can introduce new machines from abroad or learn their technology, then these peasant workers will not have to work so hard.